All right, 9 Dimes Project. Welcome. This is part 3 of our multiple income streams. How to make $100 this week. 7 proven ways. All right, so you can make money this week with the skills you already have. This is the finale of our multiple income stream series. We've covered your money personality and why your job caps your wealth. If you haven't watched parts 1 and 2, pause this, watch them, and come back to this one. They're going to be in the playlist. But here's a quick recap. You need multiple income streams to build wealth. And we're going to give you 7 ways to make $100 in the next 7 days with skills you already have. Need cash by this weekend? Do not get a payday loans or anything like that. No scams. Let's go. So you can sell stuff that you don't use anymore. You can look around. If you got clothes you haven't worn in a long time, a year, you can get, let's say, per outfit. If you put together an outfit, let's say you can get at least $10 to $20 per outfit. You got an old phone or a laptop, you can sell those for a couple $100. You got textbooks, you can sell those for about $100. Post them on Facebook Marketplace. There's also OfferUp or Poshmark. It's $100 done. Boom. That's could possibly be more than $100 right there. All right, second method. You can offer a service. You can mow lawns. Can easily get $50 per yard. So you're over $100 right there. Like organization and cleaning, can charge 50, 60, even $100 to clean a house. Like walking dogs. And if you're sitting a dog, I say you can easily get $100 for dog sitting, like $100 per day. Per dog? Yeah. Charge them up. All right, grocery shopping for elderly neighbors. $30, $40 per trip. And, you could text 10 people and just say, hey, what do you need help with? Charge them up. Depending on what it is, 20, 30, $40. Method number 3 is you can charge for different skills. If you can write, you can, and even if you don't write but you know how to prompt well, you can leverage AI, and you can go on Fiverr and offer a gig through Fiverr or some similar website. What's the other one? The other green one. Do that. If you can design, you can design templates on, if you use Adobe or even Canva, and you can sell those on, I would recommend on your own website, but you also would have to market it. I wouldn't use Etsy or anything like that. You could try it, and people do make money on those sites, but ultimately you want your own site. Tutoring. Spoke about this in the last video. You can tutor. You can get 30, 40, 50, 60 bucks. You're tutoring if you're good at math, science, especially math and science. You can run up. You can hit them up if you're good with math and science. Hit them up. Let me tell you something. All right. But video editing. If someone wants you to edit videos, you can charge pretty good for that. But don't say you don't have any skills. If you think you don't have any skills, you can get them pretty quickly. YouTube University. Method number 4, gig economy apps. You could do, if you got reliable transportation, DoorDash, Uber Eats. You could do TaskRabbit or apps like that, especially if you have a pickup truck or a van. Do Instacart. You can sign up for all of those right now and just go. Start making money today. Method number 5, ask for it. If your family owes you some money, ask for that money back. You can try to pick up an extra shift at your job you have now. Or if you have a friend with a business, ask if you can do a task for them. People want help, just have to ask. And methods 6 and 7, disclaimer. You can donate plasma, but be careful, especially if you're a fainting type. And you can return unused purchases. Get your money back. But do not do these. Do not get any loans or payday loans. These are like 400% APR. You don't want that at all. Do not use cash advance apps. Those fees are going to add up. Multi-level marketing. I'm not going to say don't do it, especially if you got products that you would use yourself. But ultimately, very few people are successful at MLMs. Like I said, I won't tell you, I won't recommend that, or recommend to stay away from them if you don't really use any of those products, unless you're just a master salesperson already. And any other get-rich-quick schemes. And one really important lesson that I learned recently, I was watching a YouTube video, is if you don't have a dream, if you don't have that thing that you want to do, that'll help you for your life, then someone else is going to sell you theirs. So have that mission in your life. And this is my mission, is helping others build wealth. This is my mission in life, and that's what I'm trying to help others build, because I'm a believer that, there's the eight life, the 8 parts of life, I forget what it's called, but there's 8 of them, and finance is one of them. And if you have your finance together, then those other 7 parts, you can just buy them. That's the way I see it. If you got the finance, you can buy the rest. You can buy the rest of those other 8 parts of life. So that's my 2 cents for today. That is the complete multi-income stream series, your money personality, why jobs cap your wealth, and how to make $100 this week. Next week, we start a new series. It's the smart banking and high yield savings. And we're going to show you why your bank is robbing you and how to stop it. You don't want to miss this one. We do have the 3-tool starter pack. Links in the description. It's the Wealth Builder budget template, 50, 20, 30. You got the savings goal calculator and the 30-day money challenge tracker. So like I said, links in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.